Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your hair pin straight. People actually think that I have straight hair. My hair's curly, guys. So stay tuned if you want to find out how to make your hair super straight. And if you have curly hair, you know that those roots, even if you get the top really straight, if you open it up, you see those roots curly. So I'm gonna show you how to get rid of that problem. This video is one of two videos that are coming out for you because the next one, we need our hair pin straight for us to continue. So excited to let you guys know that this video we are doing, well, I don't know who we are, but I'm doing a giveaway for you guys. Yay! What I have for you guys, stay tuned and I will let you know in between the video.
Okay, so I always start off with my favorite Peachy La Brasiliana. I am probably butchering that, but it's my favorite. It's an all-in conditioner, and I proceed on putting a little bit of the Argan Oil by Luseta. Not sponsored, you guys, I just like these products. Once you have it air dried, and these are the roots I was talking about, no one likes those, we're going to go ahead and connect our strainer. I always have a hard time with that one, but you know what I mean. I like my Avanti. I've bought it twice now. I will link it below in the description box. You're gonna start off by very small sections. This is how we're going to make sure that we're gonna get everything. Grab a comb. You're gonna want to brush your hair until it is all smooth. Grab your strainer and go out, and then you're gonna curve in. If you don't get some of the roots, you're gonna want to divide that, just like I'm doing here, to see how the ends are still out. You want them in, so you go ahead and do that, and I do it a few more times to make sure that everything is nice and smooth. You can really see how much length it adds compared to the other one. And now I'm bringing out my secret power weapon. I love this brush. If you've seen it here, please let me know in the description box. I haven't been able to find it here. I love it so much. It really smooths down the hair while you're going down with your strainer.
So, this is my secret weapon to my super pin straight hair. Unfortunately, I cannot find it here. I can only find it in Mexico, where I am originally from. I called my cousin Martis, and she actually rented it at the store the same day because my aunt was coming the day after. This was 2 years ago, no, a year ago. This was a year ago, and she brought me 4. She could only find 4. She brought me, and I thought I sold them all. And then I was cleaning my closet where I usually put like hair products and hair stuff that I don't use, and then I find an extra one. I guess I only sold 3, so I was like, perfect, this is perfect for a giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed to this account and my new account at ZUEETDECORE, which I will link here below, and leave a comment on the bottom section of this video, and that's it. That's all you have to do. So stay tuned because I will be announcing the winner on May 5th. We lost track. Strainer. A device having holes punched in it or made for crosswires. That's for pasta.
Noun, straightener, a pair of metal tongs with heated ceramic plates used for straightening hair.
Straightener. I don't know what I was saying anymore.